Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about our fourth topic, 10 gram. What is 10 gram? 10 gram, a square is cut into 7 shapes known as 10 gram pieces. So here you can see this is the square. It is written no, a square is cut into 7 shapes. So this is a square. This is a square piece of paper. And this square piece of paper cut into 7 shapes. Here you can see the different shapes. Like where number 1 is written, this is one triangle. Number 2 is written, that is the parallelogram. 3 is again triangle, parallelogram, triangle. This is one triangle, and here 7 is another triangle. So these are different shapes. How many shapes are there? 7 shapes are there. Understood, children? Now see, the object of the puzzle is to rearrange 10 gram pieces in different ways to make different shapes of animals, people and things. This activity is sometimes called 7 pieces of cleverness. What do you understand by this? The object of the puzzle, it is just like a puzzle, is to rearrange 10 gram pieces. What 7 pieces I have showed you, that are the different 7 pieces. What you had seen on the square piece of paper, this type of square paper, that you had made different shapes, no, like triangle, parallelogram, square. So that different shapes are here. What you had find there? 2 big triangles. In this picture you can see, like here one triangle is there. This is 7. Number 7 is one big triangle, and number 6 is another big triangle. So that we are talking about this square, these numbers which you have written here, that are different shapes. We are talking about that different shapes here. Okay, so 2 big triangles, 6 and 7, as I have showed you now. Now 5 and 3, 2 small triangle. 5 and 3, remember children, which 2? 5 and 3. Look here, 5, this is small triangle, 3 is another small triangle. Understood? Now come to that page. Now 1 and 4. 1 is medium triangle. It is not very big like this and not small. It is medium size triangle. 1 square and 1 parallelogram, where the number 2 is written. Number 2, where this is the parallelogram. Where? Why parallelogram? Because 2 sides are parallel, so it is parallelogram. So that 7 pieces of 10 gram. So it is what? The object of the puzzle is to rearrange. What is puzzle here? That you have to arrange this piece of paper, these different shapes, in different ways to make different shapes of animal. By arranging these piece of paper, you can make animals and people and different type of things. By arranging these piece of paper, we can make animals, people and things. This activity is sometimes called 7 pieces of cleverness, because here we are using our brain, no? With what? With the 7 pieces. With 7 pieces of that paper, we are making different things such as animals, people and things. That's why it is also called as 7 pieces of cleverness. Now 10 gram is an puzzle with specific 7 pieces. Here in the 10 gram, it is specific, it is, there should be particular 7 pieces. It should not be more than 7 pieces. What 7 pieces? 2 large triangle, as you have seen there. 1 medium triangle, I have showed you, no, like 5, 6, 2 large triangle, 1 medium triangle, 2 small triangle, 1 square, 1 parallelogram. So 7 pieces are there in the 10 gram, and by arranging that 7 pieces in different ways, we can make different shapes, such as shape of animal, shape of house, shape of cat. Okay, so that we can do with these 7 pieces. Here you can see that what is made here? It is the bird. It is the bird. Bird's neck is stretched. That is the neck of bird and which is stretched down. So how you had made this? With the help of 7 pieces of 10 gram. See here, you can see these two big triangles. Okay, you had two big triangles now. Then here this is small triangle, this is also small triangle, and this is medium size triangle, this is parallelogram, this is square. So we had arranged that 7 pieces in such a way that we can find this picture of bird. Understood? So you have to do that. You have to collect color paper and draw with the help of line. I will show you now, and cut that pieces, okay, to make different shapes. So here you can see we can form number of other geometrical shapes from the 10 gram pieces. From that 10 gram pieces you can make geometrical shape also. What are the geometrical shapes? Like square, triangle and parallelogram. So these are the different geometrical shape. Here you can see, children, that 1, 2, what you have used here? 1, 1, 1. Here see this one. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3. You can open your book, page number 12. 1, 3, 5. So there you can see that piece of where you have written 1, no, that is one triangle, 3 is another small triangle, and this 5 is also one triangle. So by joining this you can get the shape of triangle. Here what is written? We can form number of other geometrical shape. Triangle is one of the geometrical shape. Clear? So with the help of that 10 gram pieces we can make another geometrical shape also. Now here also you can see you have to adjust the pieces of paper. Okay, that 7 pieces of paper you have to rearrange, you have to adjust in such a way that you can get triangle shape or rectangle shape. So here that page is like here number 1 is triangle, 4 is square, 5. So you have to adjust it in such a way that you can get this geometrical shape. Here you have got this triangle, that is a rectangle, and here also parallelogram. So you have to put that pieces of paper, 7 pieces of paper, that is called 10 gram. You have to arrange in such a way that you can get these type of geometrical shape. Okay, you can try it yourself. Now let's create all 7 pieces. Now see what we are making here. Now first of all you have to take a square piece of paper. That paper size means both sides should be equal. It is not necessary 10 centimeter, but what is the length and what is the breadth, both should be same. So it will be the square piece of paper. Now you have to fold that square piece of paper in that triangle shape. After folding you will get this mark here. You have to unfold it. Unfold means open it. Then you have to draw a line with the help of ruler and pencil. You will get this type of shape. Now after getting that shape you have to draw the lines and put the numbers in this way. Now you have written at the top, that is the square, no? So at the top 1, 2, then 3, 5, and here is 4 and 6. Now you have to start cutting on that particular line. You will get these small pieces, that are the 7 pieces of 10 gram, and you have to write. Now already you have written the numbers. Now at the back side of paper you have to write the same numbers. Now you have to erase numbers which were written on the front side, because we have written at the back side and front side is facing towards. We have to show that. That's why we have to erase the number from the front side, but it should be there at the back side. Now here you can see A square is formed by using 4 10-gram pieces. 2 big triangle. How we can make a square? By using 4 10-gram pieces. 2 big triangle. Now this is the what 10-gram pieces we have cut. From that we are going to make square. What pieces you have cut? No, 7 pieces you got, no children. Now you have to make 10 gram. With that you have to make square. 7 pieces of 10 gram which you have cut, from that you have to make square. Now you have to take 2 big pieces of triangle. Okay, this is the 2 big pieces of triangle. 1 square, and now you have to put 1 square from that. A small triangle. Now here also small triangle, and this is the parallelogram. Join them. What you have got? This is the one triangle, and here you have got full square. Now you have to arrange rectangle in the same way with the 7 pieces of 10 gram. Here we had made triangle with that 7 pieces of 10 gram. So what did you understand? That we have to rearrange that pieces in different ways so that you can get some shapes. Here we are making geometrical shape. So with the 7 pieces of 10 gram we have made geometrical shapes. Now here you enjoy the experience of new shapes by rearranging the 10 gram pieces. So with the 10 gram pieces, by rearranging the 10 gram pieces, you can make these different shapes. Cat, house, this man, walking man, sheep. So children, you have to try it. Draw something, show it to me, and write the definition of 10 gram in your copy. Thank you children.